Today, we're going to draw something delicious and colorful, a vegetable plate. Are you ready to create your own masterpiece? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let the creativity flow. First up, let's draw a mouth-watering corn. Draw those lovely kernels. Next, let's add some green beans. Draw those long, stringy beans with curvy lines. Now, let's draw a capsicum. Imagine the vibrant colors as we sketch this tasty vegetable.
Awesome!
Time to create the base. Draw a circle inside another circle to form our plate. Picture it filled with colorful veggies. On one side, let's add a fork. And on the other, a spoon. Our plate is ready for a delicious veggie feast. Make those outlines bold and sharp with your black marker. This will make our vegetable plate stand out and look amazing. And now, the most exciting part, coloring. Grab your color pens, and let's add some life to our artwork. Yellow color. Orange color. Green color. Bottle green color. Green color. Bottle green color. Lime green color. Red color. Bottle green color.
Wow!
Yellow color. Orange color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Red pink color.
Awesome!
Voila! You've created a vibrant and tasty vegetable plate. I'm sure it looks absolutely delicious. Hello, little artists. Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to create something adorable, a cute milk coffee drawing. First, take your trusty black marker and draw the outline of our coffee cup. Now let's add the cap. Imagine it's like a little hat for our coffee. Next, draw the cup itself. Connect the cap to the cup with 2 lines. Every coffee needs a straw. Draw a thin line sticking out from the side of the cup. Our coffee cup wants to say hello. Draw 2 cute eyes right below the cap. Maybe it's a friendly cup. Time to decorate. Draw some small circles all around the cup. These are like sprinkles of happiness. Let's make our drawing pop. Go over the outline with your black marker. Make it bold and sharp. Because our coffee cup loves you. Let's add a heart shape somewhere.
Cool!
Now it's the best part, coloring. Let's use our colorful pens. Say the colors with me. Pink color.
Awesome!
Orange color. Brown color. Brown color again.
Wow!
Yellow color. And there you have it, little artists. Your very own cute milk coffee drawing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel. Until next time, keep creating and stay awesome. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.